Hello student, I am SK Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL grade A. Today I am going to start the second part of congruent triangles. Congruence of triangle. We have already learned two congruence conditions which are SSS criteria and SAS criteria. Now we want to discuss on criteria ASA congruence condition. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle, called ASA congruence condition. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and side AB and PQ both are equal, then we can say that triangle ABC and triangle PQ are congruent by ASA criteria. We have some question on this criteria. In triangle ABC and DCB, angle ACB is equal to angle DBC 40 degree each. Angle ABC means 20 plus 40 60, and angle DCB also be 20 plus 40 60 are equal, and BC is common side in triangle DCB and ABC. So by ASA criteria, triangle ABC congruent triangle DCB. Next question is QX bisect angle PQR as well as angle PSR. State the three facts needed to ensure that angle QRS and angle PQS are congruent. In triangle QPS and triangle QRS, angle PQS and angle RQS are equal, given because QX is the bisector of angle PQR, so these two angles are equal, and angle PSQ also be equal to angle RSQ because angle PSR also be bisected by QX, so these two angles are also be equal, and QS is equal to QS common, then triangle PQS and triangle RQS QRS both are congruent. Now next question is PX bisect angle P and PS perpendicular to QR. Find three pairs of matching parts to check whether PSQ congruent triangle PSQ and PSR congruent. So here in triangle PSQ and PSR, PRS here in triangle PRS and PSQ, PSQ and PSR, angle QPS, this angle is equal to this angle RPS, because PS is the bisector of angle P, so these two angles are equal. Angle PSQ is equal to angle PSR, each equal to 90 degree, and PS is common in both triangles. Then by ASA criteria, angle side angle, both triangles PSQ and PSR congruent. Therefore QS is equal to RS, because SB the midpoint will be the midpoint of RS. QS. Now RHS congruence condition. This condition is only applicable for right angle triangle. Two right triangles are congruent if hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to hypotenuse and corresponding side of other triangle. Just like in triangle ABC and PQR, if AB is equal to PQ and hypotenuse AC and PR both are equal, and angle B and angle Q each equal to 90 degree, then we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. we have a question. Triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. AD is altitude. Altitude means perpendicular to BC. From it on BC. So is triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD? State three pair of matching parts. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB is equal to AC, already given. AD is equal to AD, common. And angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, 90 degree. So here AB and AC acts as hypotenuse for triangle ADB and AC is a hypotenuse for triangle ADC. So hypotenuse are equal. One side are equal in both triangles and one angle is 90 each. So therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD, and therefore BD is equal to CD by CPCT, means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now next question is QS and RT are the altitude of triangle PQR and QS is equal to RT. Is triangle QRS congruent triangle RQT by RHS congruence condition? State three pairs of matching parts. Here QS and RT are perpendicular on side PQ and PR respectively, and QS and RT are equal, and then so that QRS, this triangle congruent to triangle QRT. So in triangle QRS and triangle RQT, QS is equal to RT given, equal, given. QR is equal to QR, common. And angle QTR is equal to angle RSQ, each equal to 90 degree. Then by RHS criteria, triangle QRS congruent triangle RQT, because QR is hypotenuse in both triangles, because this side is opposite the angle of 90 degree in both triangles. So QR is here hypotenuse for both triangles, and one side QS and RT are equal, and one angle is equal 90 each. So by RHS criteria both triangles are congruent. These are three facts of matching parts for congruency. Now we have another question. AC is equal to DB. Here ABC and DCB are two triangles on same base BC. Given AC is equal to DB, means AC and DB are equal, and AB perpendicular to BC, it means this angle is 90 degree, and also DC perpendicular to BC, this angle also be the 90 degree. State which of the following statement is true. Triangle ABC congruent triangle DCB. First of all, we have to show here triangle ABC congruent triangle. Two triangles in triangle ABC and DCB. First of all, we have to congruent these two triangles. So in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, AC is equal to DB given, BC is equal to BC, common, and angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, each 90 degree. Then triangle ABC congruent triangle DCB, not DBC and not BCD, because ABC, it means AB then equal to DC, BC equal to CB, and AC is equal to DB. So triangle here, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DCB, not DBC and not BCD. And three matching parts are AC is equal to DB, BC is equal to BC, and triangle ABC congruent triangle equal to angle DCB 90 degree. Which are, and then AB is equal to CD by CPCT corresponding parts of, because triangle ABC and DCB are congruent, so AC is equal to here BD, BC common, and then AB must be CD equal to CD. So that in an isosceles triangle, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle whose side AB equal to AC. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle whose side AB is equal to AC. Sides AB is equal to AC. We draw AD perpendicular to BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Then in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AB is equal to AC, AD is equal to AD common, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC 90 degree. Then by RHS criteria, triangle ADB is congruent triangle ADC. So therefore angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. We can also congruent this triangle by SS criteria when we draw AD is an angle bisector of angle B. We can also prove it by ASA criteria. If angle AD is the angle bisector of angle A, and that condition, these two angles are equal, sides are equal, and common side AD, and then by SAS also be congruent triangle ADB and ADC. Now we have a question. P and Q are 2 points on equal sides of AB and AC. AB and AC are equal sides of triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle, such that AP is equal to AQ. Given here AP and AQ also be equal. Prove that BQ is equal to CP. Here in triangle APC and triangle AQB, AP is equal to AQ given, AC is equal to AB also be given equal, and angle A is common in both triangles APC and AQB. In both triangles A is common angle. Then by SAS criteria, side, angle, side, angle, side, SAS criteria, triangle APC congruent triangle AQB, therefore BQ is equal to CP by BQ is equal to by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Thank you children. इस ट्रेंगल में हम पहले ए क्यू बी लिया, एक पी सी, यहाँ हमारा दिया हुआ है ए पी एंड ए क्यू आर इक्वल, तो ये दोनों छोटा साइड इक्वल दिया हुआ, और बड़ा साइड ए बी, ए सी एंड ए बी वो भी इक्वल दिया हुआ है, और ये एंगल दोनों में कॉमन है, तो इस ट्रेंगल में ये एंगल कॉमन है, इस ट्रेंगल में भी ये एंगल कॉमन है, और ये साइड इस छोटा के इक्वल है, ए पी एंड ए पी एंड ए सी एंड ए बी इक्वल है, इसीलिए एस ए एस से दोनों कंग्रुएंट हो गया। इस तरह हम इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन।